Hi. So I got Happy Mail. Let's open it and see who I supported and who it's from. Let's go. So first, it has a nice sticker saying thank you. Yes, I like to be thanked for being a customer. And let's see, I'm gonna lay it all out on the table. Okay, and this is the card that came with it. And if it's you, you already know who it's from. Okay, thank you, Rochelle. I really appreciate your business. God bless. And it is from Miss Kim of Miss Kim's Bling Bar. Yes. Yes, let's see what I got. In a nice organza bag. And let's see. We're going to take it out of here. And there's a nice card, a nice business card with the magnet on the back, so you can't lose it. Just put it in the refrigerator. Or if you have a locker, yeah, okay, here you go. And here we go. Hearts from her Paparazzi collection. That's Kim's Bling Bar, and I'll put her information below. Let's just try them on. I should have taken these off before. You all seen those every time I come online, but don't worry, that'll change because guess what? I got a connection here. So let's see. I'm gonna put these on, and they are for pierced ears. And let me see, it has a nice backing so that you don't lose them. How am I looking? How cute are those? Aren't they cute? Had a little dangle to it. Oh yeah, let's put the other one on. You know, it's nothing like wearing a pair. Okay, let's see. Okay, this air doesn't want to cooperate, but let's see. There we go, there we go, there we go. Let me put the back on. Yes. Yes. I got my lovely earrings from Kim Bling Bar. Yes. So, here we go. Ms. Kim's Bling Bar. She has a nice little card here. It has her business name on it. Let's see, it has on YouTube, Miss Kim's Bling Bar and more. On Facebook, she's Miss Kim's Bling Bar. And then her phone number is below, but I won't share that with you unless she wants to share it. And then she has her QR codes you can scan and go right to the site. Isn't that special? Thank you, Miss Kim. Thank you so much. Bye.